In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import a website into Squarespace in just a few minutes. Whether you're moving from another platform or setting up a brand new site, this process can save you tons of time and effort. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head to the Squarespace homepage, click Login, and if you prefer, choose Continue with Google for a quicker sign-in. Once you're in, select the site you'd like to work on from your dashboard. Now, look at the left-hand navigation panel and scroll down to Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Website tab. From there, choose Import and Export Content. This is where you'll bring in content from another platform. Click Import, and you'll see options for different sources. For this tutorial, let's select WordPress. You'll be asked to provide your WordPress site URL along with your WordPress username and password. Enter those details carefully because Squarespace uses them to fetch your content. Once that's done, click Begin Import. Squarespace will now pull over your WordPress content into your Squarespace site. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a few minutes, so sit back and let Squarespace do the heavy lifting. And that's it. You've successfully imported your site into Squarespace. From here, you can customize the design, adjust layouts, and make the site truly yours on this new platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy building.